In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the filter on this Midea AC. This is a 5000 BTU unit, and this is a really easy process, but you might not know where to start. So this filter right here comes out. This is actually out a little bit, so it should be like that. And then you just take your finger and pull out this way, and it will come out. And as you can see, this filter is not bad at all. But this is a good idea to do, at least at the end of the season, but check it every once in a while. Depending on how dusty your house is, this thing could be full and it will affect the efficiency of your air conditioner. So this is a good thing to do. So let me take this over to the sink and show you how to clean it. So I'm gonna use some warm water, and really you could just use warm water and rinse this. It's better to rinse it like this because everything's gonna stick to this side. So if you just rinse it like this, better yet, like this. But if you have a lot in here, this is really dirty, a good thing to do is just add a little bit of mild dish soap, and that's all you'll need. And then you can take a toothbrush and scrub this out. Just be very gentle with this. You don't want to break this filter and then have to replace it. I'm sure they sell replacements, but we're trying to save money here. So I happen to have a really cool tool, this right here. This works great. You just scrub this whole thing. You can do the plastic too, if it's dirty. And you can do both sides if you want, just to get it super clean. When you're done, all you gotta do is rinse it. Rinse it real good, get all that soap and dirt out of there, both sides. After you rinse it, you should be able to just kind of shake it off, dab it with some paper towels, get the majority of the water off. If you're storing this AC, if it's the end of the season, just leave this out, let it dry all the way, and then you can reinstall it. But if you are continuing to use your AC, then you should be able to throw it in, and if it's a little wet, that's fine. As the AC runs, it will dry out. And to reinstall this, you're gonna want to make it as flat as possible. So in my case, I have my trim right here that's gonna prevent me from going in straight. And I might end up scraping the fins, you can hear it. So in order to avoid that and make sure I have no issues, I'm just gonna push it in just a little bit. And as you go in, it'll be straight. And then you can lock it back in. And that's it. Like I said, very easy process, but it's really important, and you might not even known that there was a filter there. So hopefully, if you needed to do this, this video helped. Thanks for watching.